Woodworking is an art form that requires skill, patience, and the right tools. Today, we'll be showcasing 10 essential woodworking tools that every woodworker should have in their arsenal. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools will help you take your woodworking projects to the next level. The Ruto Dowel Jig Kit is a set of woodworking tools that includes a self-centering line scriber, drill guide, drill bit set, with sizes of 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch, and a drill bit stop collar set. This tool is designed to help woodworkers create straight holes when drilling into wood. The self-centering line scriber ensures that the holes are placed accurately and evenly spaced. The drill guide helps to keep the drill bit in a straight line, preventing it from moving off course during drilling. The kit includes 3 different sizes of drill bits, which allows for a range of hole sizes to be drilled. The drill bit stop collar set helps to control the depth of the hole being drilled, ensuring that it doesn't go too deep. The DFM tool setting gauge is a measuring tool designed to help woodworkers set the height of their table saw blade, router table bit, drill press bit, and band saw blade. This gauge consists of a flat base with a measuring scale and a sliding arm with a pointer that can be locked into place at the desired height. The scale is marked in both imperial and metric units, allowing for precise measurements. To use the tool setting gauge, the woodworker places it on the surface of the tool they want to adjust, such as a table saw or router table, and adjusts the height until the pointer lines up with the desired height on the scale. This ensures that the tool is set to the correct height, which is important for achieving accurate and consistent cuts. The DFM tool setting gauge is a versatile tool that can be used with various woodworking tools and helps woodworkers save time and effort by simplifying the process of setting the height of their tools. The DFM A2 steel dowel plate is a tool used in woodworking and metalworking to create precise and accurate dowel holes. This particular dowel plate has 17 holes in various sizes ranging from 3/32 inch to 1/2 inch. To use the dowel plate, the woodworker or metalworker places it on top of a piece of wood or metal and taps a drill bit through one of the holes in the plate. The plate serves as a guide for the drill bit, ensuring that the hole is drilled in a precise location and at a specific angle. The A2 steel material used in this dowel plate is known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear, which makes it a long-lasting tool in a woodworking or metalworking shop. The 17 holes in the plate provide a range of options for creating different sized dowel holes. The Lake Cross Slide Drill Press Vise is a tool used in woodworking and metalworking to hold workpieces securely in place while drilling, milling, or cutting. This particular vise has a 4-inch width and is designed to be used with a drill press. The vise features a 2-way XY axis that allows for precise positioning of the workpiece. This is achieved by sliding the workpiece back and forth and side to side on the vise, which is useful when drilling or milling at different angles. The vise is also designed to be mounted onto a workbench, providing stability and preventing movement during use. This drill press vise is made from industrial-grade materials, making it durable and long-lasting. It is suitable for both DIY and professional projects, and can hold a variety of workpieces securely in place. The basic hammer is a hand tool used in DIY and woodworking projects to drive nails or other fasteners into wood or other materials. This particular hammer has a natural wood anti-vibration handle and a drop-forged steel head, making it sturdy and durable. The handle of the hammer is made from solid wood, which provides a comfortable grip and reduces vibrations, making it easier to use for longer periods of time. The hammer weighs just 16 ounces, which is lighter than many other hammers on the market. This makes it easier to swing and reduces the chance of injury, especially when using the hammer for extended periods of time. This hammer is ideal for everyday use in home repairs, woodworking, or light industrial applications. Its lighter weight makes it easy to carry around and convenient to use for a range of projects. The DFM Small Square and Marking Center Finder Precision is a tool used in woodworking and metalworking to locate the center of a workpiece and to mark precise measurements. This tool is compact in size, making it easy to use in tight spaces or on small workpieces. The tool consists of a square with a center finder on one end and a precision marking gauge on the other. The center finder is used to locate the center of a workpiece, which is useful for drilling, milling, or cutting operations that require a precise center point. The precision marking gauge allows for accurate measurements to be marked on the workpiece, ensuring that cuts and holes are made in the correct locations. This small square and marking center finder precision tool is made from high-quality materials, ensuring that it is durable and long-lasting. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a toolkit or toolbox, and its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any woodworker or metalworker's arsenal. The EWRK bench dog clamps are a type of woodworking clamp used to hold workpieces securely in place on a workbench or other surface. These clamps are designed to fit into a 20mm dog hole, which is a common feature on many woodworking workbenches. The clamps provide a strong clamping force of up to 155 pounds, which ensures that the workpiece stays firmly in place during drilling, cutting, or other operations. The edge clamps on the clamps allow for precise positioning of the workpiece, ensuring that it is held securely and at the correct angle. These bench dog clamps are made from high-quality materials, making them durable and long-lasting. They are designed to be easy to use, with a simple mechanism that allows for quick and easy adjustments. The Armor Tool APJ 700 Self-Adjusting Mini Jig is a tool used in woodworking and construction to drill pocket holes for screw joints. This mini jig has a built-in screw size selector, making it easy to choose the right size screw for the job. It is designed specifically for use with color coat screws. The self-adjusting feature of the jig allows for quick and easy adjustments, making it suitable for use with a range of workpiece sizes and thicknesses. This means that the jig can be used to create strong, reliable joints on a variety of materials, including wood, MDF, and particle board. The Armor Tool APJ 700 Self-Adjusting Mini Jig is compact in size, making it easy to use in tight spaces or on smaller workpieces. It is also lightweight, making it easy to carry in a toolkit or toolbox. The BOW Products Portable Saw Featherboard FP5 is a woodworking safety accessory that is designed to reduce kickback while using a saw. This featherboard is specifically designed for use with contractor saws and smaller table saw surfaces. The featherboard is made with EVA feathers that are designed to grip the wood and prevent it from moving during a cut. This helps to reduce the risk of kickback, which can be dangerous and cause injury. The BOW Products Portable Saw Featherboard FP5 is also portable, making it easy to transport to job sites or move around the workshop. It can be easily attached to the saw using the included hardware and adjusted to fit the thickness of the material being cut. The Snappy Tools Plug Cutter is a woodworking tool used to create wooden plugs that can be used to conceal screw holes or other imperfections in woodwork. This particular plug cutter has a diameter of 3/4 inches and a hex drive of 3/4 inches. The plug cutter is made from hardened steel, which ensures its durability and longevity. This means that it can be used repeatedly without the need for replacement. The Snappy Tools Plug Cutter is designed to create plugs that fit tightly in the holes, eliminating the need for glue. This ensures a secure fit and also saves time as there is no need to wait for glue to dry. The plug cutter can be used in a drill press with a quick change chuck. This makes it easy to switch between different sizes of plug cutters and drill bits. The tapered sides and chamfered end of the Snappy Tools Plug Cutter make it easy to start the cutting process and ensure a smooth and clean cut.